How to change password in DoorDash account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change the password in your DoorDash account, it is pretty simple. So what you can do is you can head over to www.doordash.com/password/reset, after which will be redirected to a new page where you will have to enter the email address that is linked to your DoorDash account. Click on the Reset Password option. You will receive an email address with instruction in your associated email address. Go ahead and click on the link that is present inside the email and enter a unique strong password, then again confirm it. After which, you can go ahead and log in using your new password. If you are using your DoorDash application, make sure to log in first and foremost. Then tap on the account icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select on Profile, then tap on the field you would like to update. In this case, you will have to select your password. After you enter your password, you can go ahead and check out on the tick mark option. So this is how you update or change your password in DoorDash account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.